So hello guys, in this video we will discuss about that how to execute a Java program using command prompt. First of all, you need to a text editor. You can simply use a window default text editor by pressing window plus R key and then type Notepad and then press enter. A text editor will open and then you have to simply write a Java program. Remember that the class name of a Java program should be same as the file name. In this case, I assign the class name is Cipher, Cipher, Cipher. Once you write the program, click on File option and then select Save As and assign a name same as your Java class name in double quotation. Remember that the Java file name should be in double quotation with Java extension .java. After assigning name, save your file anywhere you want. In this case, I am saving this file on desktop. Then click on save. So after the saving file, you have to open your file explorer and then find the place where you save your file. It in desktop, then I go to desktop and then double click on the address bar and then type cmd and press enter. And first we have to compile the file. For compiling we use the Java command java c space and the file name plus extension. My file name is cipher plus extension .java and then press enter. Once the file compiles successfully, then then you have to type java and file name and then press enter. So here secure cipher is printed. Thank you guys.